Hi all, I'm Rachna. Today let's look into recreate and rolling update deployment model in CloudHub 2.0. In order to deploy the application, please follow my previous video where I showed you the steps how to deploy to the shared space in CloudHub 2.0. Just a recap, I'm using a project. I have deployed a project actually which consists of a simple listener and then JSON output. Here is my path to hit the service. I have deployed the same jar in runtime manager of a sandbox endpoint platform with the two types of deployment model. That is, one is with recreate and one is with rolling update. The main difference between these two is recreate always terminates the replicas whatever we have given whenever we are redeploying it. And coming to rolling update, it makes sure that it remains availability whenever we increase or decrease the replicas. I'm just increasing the replica in recreate deployment model and see, and let's see how it works. Before making it, let me just create an endpoint and hit it first. And as you all know, slash hello at end. This is how my response is. Let me increase the replicas. I'm increasing it to 2 and just I'm giving the apply changes. As you can see, it's started updating and I'll try to hit. Yeah, the page isn't working, it's coming. That's where the recreate works in this manner, that it stops and recreate everything from first. Yeah, see, until it comes up, like until it starts running again, we cannot hit the service. Yeah, let's wait for some time until it's get restarted. Okay, meanwhile it gets restarted. Let's see into how rolling update work. Here also, let me hit first the endpoint. I'm taking this public endpoint slash hello. Yeah, we got a response. Here also same way, this is rolling update. I'll change the replica to 2 and apply changes. I'll try hitting the service. See, there is no difference in service. Let's see when, yeah. See, the still it is running. The replicas to 0 of 2 is updated, but still it's not, there is zero downtime. We cannot see instant downtime. But as we observed in recreate, like there was some time downtime when we when the application was in the not running or like it was updating the status. Since it is running now, I'll try hitting again the same service. Yeah, now it's working. This is the difference between the, see, even though application configuration is applying, we are able to hit the service in rolling update, but not the same in the recreate. This is the difference between the recreate deployment model and the rolling update model. That's all for today. Thank you.